What does this sign mean? A bypass joins.
This app is part of Driving Test New Zealand. It has a range of 35 random questions which simulates the driving test. We record the results, and subject to the results, if they're hidden around that 90% mark, right across the board, we will pay for them to sit their learner licence.
It's like open, and then everyone knows the answer, and you can help other people if they get stuck.
Some of our rangatahi in there are in school, some aren't.
Because I got caught driving.
Oh.
Yeah, they told me I had to get my license, so yeah, now that's why I'm here.
There is some that are unemployed, which actually helps with a stepping stone to employment.
Some of our rangatahi come in and they're sort of like, I don't know what I'm doing. I have never driven a car, or they feel a little bit unsure about their abilities with academic-wise, and some of them just bloom. I've got one lady in there today who she was a bit hesitant, but she's doing really well. She said, I do know it, I can do it. But for a lot of them, it's not about passing, it's about completing, which is coming in Monday to Friday. Showing themselves that they can commit to something, that they can, they do have it in them to be here, to be a part of a group. Because it's one thing to do it on your own, but when you're in an environment where everybody's doing the same thing, it doesn't seem as daunting.
Just do it.
Just back yourself.
This is actually pretty helpful, so you should do it.
Just do it. Go get it.